Okay, so now open the joint script, remove these default functions. Here we need a serialized field private sprite called sprite stick and another serialized field private sprite called sprite unstick. Save this script now and attach stick and unsticked sprite images. Now open the script again and add private sprite renderer and private game object called dashline. Inside the start method, give the reference to the sprite renderer and also give the reference to our dashline. Our dashline is equal to GameObject.transform.getChild1.GameObject. Now create two public functions, setSticked and setUnsticked. Inside the setSticked function, add spriteRenderer.sprite is equal to spriteSticked, and inside the setUnsticked function, spriteRenderer.sprite is equal to spriteUnsticked. Now create a private boolean variable called sticked and set is to false. Add this variable in the setSticked function, make it true here, and inside the setUnsticked function, make this variable false. Now create two more functions. One is public void selected and the other one is public void unselected. Inside the selected function, check if sticked is not equal to true, then here we can add a function related to the dashline show. Else, our dashline.transform.local scale is equal to vector3.0. Same, copy this line and add it inside the unselected function. Now create a enumerator function called selectingJoint and add this function to the unselected method. Also, add it in the selected method. Inside the selectingJoint, add a float variable time and set this to equal to 0. Add vector3 variable called startScale and set this to vector3.0. Add another vector3 and scale. This one is equal to new vector3 1.13. Here 1.13 is the present scale value of our dashline object. Now check while time is less than or equal to. Okay, so here we need to add a serialized field private float variable called animetime and set this to 0.1. Add another serialized field private animation curve and call it animation curve. Now inside the selectingJoint, add animetime variable here. Here we increase our time plus equal to time.delta time and add dashline.transform.local scale is equal to vector3.lerp, start scale, end scale, and animation curve.evaluate time. And don't forget to call yield return null. Okay, that's enough for the joint script. Save the script and back to the editor. Select both of the joint object and open the animation curve. Select this curve and edit it. Right click here and select edit key and add time to 0.199 and value to 1.600. On the other hand, add time and value to 0.